Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Hina Akhter. Welcome to the computer class and our today's topic is software. A software is a computer program needed for running or operating a computer system. A program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions to perform a particular task, and the programs look like these. A software can be divided into two main parts: system software and application software. And the system software is further classified into five main softwares, and these are operating system, compiler, assembler, interpreter, drivers. Application software is also classified into two main softwares. These are package and utility softwares. System software refers to programs designed to control the operation of a computer system. These programs assist in running application programs. An operating system is the master control program that runs the computer. It controls the flow of signals from the central processing unit to the various parts of a computer. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program loaded in its memory. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Android, Linux, and Mac OS. A driver is a computer program that enables a computer to interact with a hardware device such as a printer, a flash, USB drive, etc. A compiler is a program that translates a high-level computer language program into a machine language program. The compiler first reads the whole program and then at one go translates it into machine language. An interpreter is a program that translates one statement of a high-level language program into machine code and executes it. It means it executes the step-by-step instructions of the program. An interpreter is a smaller program than a compiler. An assembler is a program that translates an assembly language program into a machine language program.